Can I transition into this somehow?
Well,
have you ever seen
yeah.
Sheryl Crow?
Not live, no.
That wasn't a good transition. This is Anna Yum. We've been talking about the interesting topic of the day today, and we're live in El Cajon in front of the California Highway Patrol, where we got their views on the NTSB's latest proposal to lower the .08 alcohol limit in driving to .05. This is only a recommendation, but we heard from the Highway Patrol, and now we want to talk with Anna Yum, kind of a morning talk. Discussion about what this might mean, and Anna is a criminal defense attorney. What are your thoughts on this, Anna?
Hi, Mike. Nice to see you this morning.
Nice to see you too.
Well, my thoughts are this. I think that, first of all, before we delve into it, it's important to understand what the law is here in the state of California, because you're right, it's just a recommendation right now from the TSB. Under the law here in the state of California, you don't have to be drunk to be convicted of a DUI. What it really tests is your level of impairment. Are you not driving as a reasonably sober person would, or are your mental and or physical abilities impaired that you're not driving as a reasonably sober person would? And of course, the second statute is your blood alcohol level .08 or greater at the time of driving. Now, my opinion regarding this recommendation is that it should be based upon science, and I don't believe that the recommendation shows based upon the science, based upon the peer review literature or the scientific data that the law should be changed to .05. I handle these types of cases all the time, and in fact, these are one of the central issues that we argue with the prosecutors with respect to our pretrial motions in limine or pretrial motions. And I think that if the law is going to be changed, it should be based upon scientific data and not based upon speculation or conjecture.
You said that back in 1986, this was also recommended at .05.
That's correct. That's the last recommendation that I'm aware of from the AMA. And essentially what they recommended was that the legal limit should be lowered to .05. And they also recommended that an ignition interlock device should be installed for any type of first-time DUI offender. Now, these were recommendations based upon public policy, but it wasn't necessarily based upon scientific data. And if you look at the scientific data from the leading experts in the field, I don't believe, and not that I'm aware of, there's no literature to indicate that everyone, meaning all persons, are under the influence for purposes of driving if they're a .05 or greater.
Anna Yum, criminal defense attorney. That's an interesting and fascinating discussion this morning, trying to get all sides here. We're live in El Cajon in front of the California Highway Patrol. We'll talk a little bit more with Anna coming up in about 20 minutes. For now, we'll send it back to you.
All right, tell Anna we say hello. Mike, thanks so much.